What's up, YouTube? Okay, hopefully you guys have kept an eye on Boost Auto Parts' page, my Instagram page. The big announcement came through, and it's switchback LED lights for the 2015 style tow mirrors. Basically plug and play. There's a little bit of wiring that you've got to do, but not much. Basically plug and play. But that being said, I got a notification from UPS that I had a package on my doorstep, so we're going to take a look and see what it is. Looks like a little box from Boost Auto. How about we do an unboxing? Okay, so got this package from Boost Auto Parts. I'm sure you guys have probably caught on to what it's going to be. It's going to be the switchbacks. I'm here to do a little review and give you guys a little information about the switchbacks. Now, this is going to be split into two different videos, probably three, because I've got the promo video that I'm going to upload. So you're going to see that before this video gets uploaded. So the video that we went up to Chicago and we shot, we spent all day, preparing trucks, shooting video clips, shooting scenes for the new advertisement for the Boost Auto Switchback lights. It came out 100% awesome, and I'm going to throw that up before I upload this video so you'll see that. This is going to be an unboxing and a little review of the Switchback lights. I'm going to tell you all you need to know about them, and then my next video is actually going to be installing them into my mirrors. I've definitely missed having them since we did that video shoot, and I cannot wait to break into this box and take a look and show you guys what these are all about. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I've got my Boost Auto Parts box sitting up here on my little work area bench, and we're going to just go ahead and open this up, take a look at what's inside. There's some new packaging going on, so I'm really looking forward to see how that's turned out and to show it off to you guys. So this is true unboxing. I have not got to see what the packaging looks like yet, so this will be my first time. Safety first, always use a safety razor blade. First off, we've got Boost Auto Parts. Find them on Facebook, find them on Instagram, give them a follow. Can't have too many Boost Auto koozies. Can't have too many Boost Auto stickers. These guys are awesome about giving out their swag. They always have some koozies or some stickers in the boxes, whether you order mirrors or if you order parts like this, so that's really cool. Return label. This is the key to everything. This is what makes these lights essentially plug and play. Now, you can plug these into your factory lights, you can plug them into any of your aftermarket mirrors, and everything's going to work. This is all the harnesses and everything that you need to make these lights work on your mirrors. And as far as the plug style switch, we're going to get to that here in a little bit after we pull these mirrors out of the box. Take out some bubble wrap, and check this box out. Brand new switchback light box. Looks like any of your marker lights you're going to get is going to come in this box, so they've really stepped up their game. Used to, they would ship you the packages in a padded envelope, and you get the lights in a padded envelope, but now we've got branding on the boxes. We've got Mr. Backroad Diesel's truck on the back of the packaging. It tells you what color your lens is, what style your LEDs are, and of course whether you've gotten dotted or white strip lights, white or amber, switchbacks. It tells you all that. So really nice box. We got the USA flag proudly represented on the front because these are made right here in the USA, and that is definitely something for Boost Auto Parts to be proud of. Oh man, check this out. I mean, not only did they go all out on the outside of the package, but they've got custom inserts on the inside of their package to set your light strips in. So, I mean, these guys mean business right now. And this is the switchback replacement light. Now, I'm going to show you the differences between the switchback light versus the regular dotted style lights that they've been shipping out with their mirrors. Now, a couple of facts about these are 100% Boost Auto Parts. Nobody else has this design. Nobody else owns this design. Lens design is 100% Boost Auto based off of the OE style lens. The housing design is 100% Boost Auto. They changed the plug. I don't know if you could see that. They changed the plug up from the small style plug to the same plug that your OE connectors are going to plug into. This is a really heavy duty light from somebody who makes switchback lights and retrofits them into the normal light housings. This is a whole different ball game right here. You don't have to worry about excess glue. You don't have to worry about any moisture getting in. You don't have to worry about your strips being super visible. Now, as you see, this is the clear lens with the chrome housing. The smoke lens will give you a black housing. So if you want a clear and chrome look, then go for the clear lens with the chrome housing. If you prefer just a blacked out look, just go with the smoke lens. This is really nice, new design. Boost Auto Parts branded on the bottom. Like I said, I'm not sure if you could see this, but Boost Auto Parts is branding themselves on their lights. So like I said, this is 100% them. And what really makes them stand out from the rest, guys, I know a lot of people have been kind of getting moisture issues in their retrofitted switchbacks. And if there happened to be a chance of any moisture coming in, these lights have a membrane on the back of the housings right here, this little circle, perforated circle. That is an actual membrane that will allow the moisture to soak back out of your lights so you don't have any issues. Compared to the regular lights, you can tell this plastic is way more heavy duty. It's a lot heavier in your hand. These are light. These are just, I mean, there's a huge world of difference here. With the switchbacks, you won't have to worry about any fitment in your mirrors versus retrofitted lights. When I did retrofits on these lights, installing switchback strips into the stock lights, you would have to worry about glue being on the edges of your lenses and getting in the way of properly fitting into your tow mirrors. On a set that I had built for somebody, I installed the switchbacks. They wouldn't fit. I actually had to trim down the glue to make the lights fit back into the mirrors like they're supposed to. I'm going to put up a preview video of how they look when they're installed on my mirrors and how they function, and later I'm going to be doing an install video on my personal set of mirrors, and we're going to be doing a full-on review of them after they're installed on the mirrors. So this is basically the unboxing and the initial product review, since this is a brand new product. Boost Auto Parts has really outdone themselves on this product. I was extremely excited to be a part of this new video, be a part of this new promotion that they've done. They've been extremely generous to bring us up there all the way from Missouri. Guys, that is a 10-hour drive, and they had brought us up there and were completely hospitable and extremely nice to us. Boost Auto Parts, these guys they're amazing. I can't say enough nice things about them. I cannot recommend them to people enough. If you need mirrors and you need lights and you need wiring harnesses, definitely hit up boostautoparts.com. Tell them Badsy71 sent you, and they might be able to hook you up with something special. I don't know, but you know, it always doesn't ever hurt to try. But these are the brand new switchback lights. Guys, if you don't know what switchbacks are lights that run white when you have your running lights on or your park lights on, and when you push your turn signal on, they turn amber to flash as an amber turn signal. It helps keep you a little bit more DOT approved. For those of us who enjoy having completely white running lights on the front of our truck, these are awesome. If you prefer to have white dot style lights, such as these amber ones, they do also have white dotted style lights you can also purchase with the brand new design, just like these switchbacks. And you can just completely customize your mirrors. Nobody wants the same mirrors as everybody else. You know, mirrors are just as important as the rest of your truck to customize, and Boost Auto Parts can help you do this. So that was the unboxing and product review of the brand new, just released today, Boost Auto Parts tow mirror switchback plug and play lights. Guys, I cannot wait to get these back on my truck. I cannot wait to show you how the harness gets installed and how everything is going to work. But that is it for right now for the lights. I'm super excited about these, like I said, and I can't wait to show you more. Be sure you follow me down below. I'm going to be posting my Instagram, I'm going to be posting my Snapchat, and probably my Facebook page somewhere down the bottom here, as well as in the description box. So be sure to hit me up if you have any questions. Hit Boost Auto Parts up. They are really eager to help people out and get them set up the proper way. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully this is going to help you out. And make your decision on getting some custom tow mirror lights a lot easier. One thing I forgot to mention, guys, these lights only cost around $190. A normal typical set of retrofitted lights that are retrofitted in these stock housings typically run about $250 to $260 because the retrofitter has to pay for the switchback strips, which are $110 by themselves, and then the housings and the lights, which are another, you know, $50-$60 plus their labor, because it is quite labor intensive. So I will be uploading the promo video right before this, and then this will come right afterwards. So pay attention to my channel and visit boostautoparts.com to get your hands on these, because they are going to be extremely hard for them to keep on their shelves. And I'm excited about it, guys. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. We will see you later.